day 4. We are in the Western Fjords doing the highest sea cliffs in Iceland. I'll try to pronounce them, Latrabjarg somethings, but better off I just put the name and the link down below for you to check it out. We have about 3.3 miles out and back, 1,700 feet of gain, and it's absolutely, the weather's cleared for us a bit, so let's check it out and hope we get some views. Well, we already got our first sight of some puffins, which is exciting. People come from all over to see these guys. So I'm not sure you're able to see it on the zoom with the GoPro, but we'll definitely try to get more shots. And I'm gonna try to get this cliff right here. Behind me, just the sheer drop on these. At its highest point, it's almost 1,500 feet straight drop off these cliffs. We're gonna be following all the way up there. Just, oh man, so incredible. So we've got a different kind of bird egg here. Check this out. It's very unique. This, oh wow, blue spotted eggshell. Obviously something's been eating it, but I don't know what that is. That may be the puffin egg. Very cool. Very unique. Just leave it there. See, I mean, these cliffs are so high. Where we're going is actually in the clouds right now. So that just gives you an idea of just how steep and high these cliffs are. I mean, just dramatic, beautiful. Got it on film. Just keep going up. And it just keeps going up and up and up. So the trail getting up here is fairly nice, but just a heads up, you got a little bit of gain. So make sure you're ready for it. You can see behind me where we came from. Just keeps going up and up and up. The first three cliff walls are just so impressive, and then they double as you keep going forward. This is pretty special. All right, so All Trails has this as a 3-point something out and back. I think they've mislabeled it as a 3.3 point to point. We are a little over 2 miles and we still have a little way to go. So when you're coming out here, just give yourself a little extra time if you want to make it to the high point on the cliffs. When you leave the parking lot, you're gonna see a point in the distance that looks like it. Once you get there, you're gonna realize you still got a long way to go, but it's worth it. So just plan accordingly. Give you some perspective on how high these are. The Cliffs of Moher, you know, the famous cliffs in Ireland, stand at just over 700 feet. These are well over 1,400 feet high. So it's a big, big difference. There she blows, we're getting close. We are officially into the clouds. Behind us, the cliffs are just getting drowned out by the inland fog, the fog coming off the ocean. We've come up so high from the beach. We've really lucked out today so far though. Ground's a little wet. But besides that, so far so good. Keeps going and going and going. But it's so cloudy, I can't even see the ocean anymore. It's just birds disappearing into the mist. Absolutely Just incredible. It's so windy right here. We're literally hugging the ground. We do not want to risk. Just touching this. All right. High point. Tag. You're it. Woo, we're gonna get off the shelf though. If you can't see, this is just straight, slick, wet grass. Woo. All right, I got it at just over 3 miles, actually about a 5K, 3.14, yeah. And just about 1,400 feet of gain. Wow, absolutely incredible. This isn't gonna be an easy one for most people, but if you're a hiker, trail runner, this is added to your list when you get out here. Incredible, and honestly, you're doing the ring road, everywhere you stop is crowds, crowds, crowds. Man, we're alone up here. Feels like we have it to ourselves. Some days you win the weather battle, some days you lose it. Today, so far, thumbs up. Feeling very, very blessed to have I mean, we got some clouds, but other than that, we've still got these great views. Really enjoying it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, good thing we're headed down. Well, just talking a minute ago about how lucky we were weather-wise. The rain did hold out for a bit, but it's starting to come down on us a little now that we're here. We make our way down. All right, here we are getting back to the parking lot. I got the full trail at just over 6 miles out and back and almost 1,500 feet of gain. Oh, what an awesome little trail to do. Get a chance, make sure you get out here. We also got to see the puffins. Very cool. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We got a lot more to do in Iceland. Check it out.